Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Give us a like, leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys think about these videos. So today guys, we're going to do some foil on the RI4000. Now the big thing about foil is when you do it, you want to have adequate pressure. So you really want that pressure to push that foil onto the ink to make it stick better. Now to do that, what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to get a couple of extra shirts and I'm going to put it here on my heat press. Now, another thing you can do, guys, you could buy another heat mat or you can buy a pillow to put here on top to give you some more of that pressure. You can also adjust your heat press, but I find it easier to put some shirts on there or get a heat mat. Since we are printing on the RI4000, guys, and it's going to have a built-in enhancer, as you guys all may know, we're going to get a shirt here. I'm going to put it on top. Now, this is 100% cotton, so I'm going to spray it with some water, bring down some of those fibers. Any wrinkles will be steam pressed. Now, guys, be generous with the water. Don't be afraid to put it on there, because we want that water to bring down those fibers. Now 30 seconds about does it just good to dry it and bring the fibers down. If you add a little bit more water, you want to do a 40 seconds. You just want to make sure the garment is nice and dry before you print on it. All right, and that should be good enough. Gonna take this out here. We're gonna get a shirt, bring it over to our units. Here we go. Now I already got a graphic preloaded, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and just print off that graphic. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to do my table height here to get the best printing distance between the plan and the print head. Now while that's printing, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna get my foil here and I'm gonna cut a nice size piece that I'm gonna put on my graphic. Ooh, excuse my cutting skills here, guys. Not the best at cutting foil. Alright, so another big thing about foil, guys, when you use it, you want to make sure this dark or this cloudy part is facing down towards your graphic. You want the shiny part of the foil to be facing upwards. Okay. You also want to have another shirt here. Now, this is going to be used after we press it. We're going to rub that foil into the shirts. We're going to put some pressure on it. We're going to rub it in there just to make sure it sticks. So let's give this a minute, guys, to print, and then we'll continue with this process. All right, guys, so our print is almost about to be done. Now, once it comes out, I'm going to show it to you guys. So when I do foil, I like to get prints that have a lot of spacing in them. That doesn't mean you can't do solid prints. You can go ahead and do those that look really nice too. I just like having a little space between the colors to really make that foil stand out and the color to pop when it hits the sun. So if you guys see here, there's a lot of spacing in my image. So that's really cool with foil. But again, guys, don't let this stop you from using foil on a larger image. It's going to look great as well. Okay. Now, another big thing about foil, guys, you want to make sure we bring this shirt over to the heat press. And we put the foil on top in a nice, quick manner. You don't want the shirt laying around too long because you want that ink to be wet so the foil sticks to it correctly. All right, guys, so usually my pressure is between 4 and 5. Right now, it's between 6 and 7. So you really want that pressure to be on there so that way the foil sticks. So we're going to let this cure for about 2 minutes since we are using the RI4000. Once it's done, I'm going to show you guys how you're going to use the shirt over here to rub that foil into that image, which is going to make it look a lot nicer and it's going to make it stick to more of the colors. Okay, guys, so our heat press is about to finish here. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this, put it here on top. I'm gonna grab my shirt and I'm gonna put it here on my platen so you guys can see what I'm gonna do next. So you guys want to make sure you get that shirt and you want to rub it in there. Now you don't gotta put a whole lot of pressure, but you do want some pressure on there. So just give that a nice little rub. Now, before you guys peel the foil, you guys want to let this cool. So you guys want to do about 3, maybe 4 shirts, you know, put them in the table or something and let them cool down before you actually pour the foil off it. Now, when you do get the foil off it, we're going to go in a downward motion. Some of you guys who do vinyl will have this already kind of figured out. So you just kind of pull it downward or across the image like this. Doing it up, it's okay, but just find it better that you just drag it around the image like this way. it just comes out a lot nicer. Okay, guys. So there's your shirt there. As you guys can see, is nice full foil. If I turn it, you guys can see some of the color behind it, kind of showing through the gold foil. Now I'll go ahead and leave some links on my description below to where to get the foil from the RICOH website. If my mind serves me correctly, they have gold, silver, green, blue, and red. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today and how to do foil on the RI4000. I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe once again. Leave us a like, give us some comments, and we'll see you guys next time.